Hi guys, just decided to stop by exit 19 to see what is in store. Yes, they have nice things in here. Smells so good. Smells really good, guys. Upstate stock. This is awesome. Balm Sweet Musk. Yes. The candles smell so good. Ranger Station candles. Look at that. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Wow. These candles are amazing. The scent in the shop smells so nice. So nice, I'm telling you. Yes, guys. Check them out. They have lots of stuff. Lots of stuff. If you are into candles and these things, this is a store for you. Yes. Yeah. So smells alone. It's awesome. You have this section. Yes. Very nice, very beautiful, very nice. If you want to come down at exit 19 to do some shopping, feel free to do so. They are open for you. Okay? Very beautiful. As discussed rose. This. That's beautiful salt. Beautiful items are here. Beautiful. Yes. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. That was shocking a while ago. But yes. Come along, right down exit 19 for these gorgeous, beautiful items. Antique, whatever you want. Yes, come and get it right here. Okay. I love the candle section. The smells are so good. Yes, I love that section. That candle section. It's awesome. I love it. Come on down and shop at exit 19, right?